Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to get TikTok emojis. Open TikTok application on your device and then find whatever video that you want to comment. Go to the comment section and here start typing square brackets. So open the square bracket and now you want to type emoji code. For example, let's use smile and then close the bracket, and now magic, you see that TikTok has changed our code to emoji. This is kind of exclusive thing because those emojis are available only on the TikTok platform, and if you go to your regular keyboard to the emojis section, you will not see those emojis, TikTok emojis. So this is kind of a fun way to comment on someone's video. So that's how you can get TikTok emojis. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.